Suzuki motorcycles. They're built for the long haul, engineered to deliver thousands of miles of reliable service. But longevity doesn't happen by accident. Some riders push their bikes past 200,000 miles with minimal issues, while others face constant breakdowns before hitting 50,000. If you want your bike to last without repairs, follow these 17 habits. The single most important habit for Suzuki longevity is frequent oil changes. Suzuki engines, especially high-revving sport bikes and torquey V-twins, depend on clean oil for valve train lubrication, clutch operation, and cooling. Change your oil every 3,000 miles regardless of what the manual says. Use quality synthetic oil meeting JSO MA or MA2 specifications for wet clutches. The clutch shares engine oil in most Suzukis, making oil quality critical. Riders who follow this 3,000-mile rule report engines exceeding 150,000 miles without major work. The cost of oil changes is minimal compared to rebuilding worn valve trains. Keep detailed records of every oil change with mileage and date. Valve clearance maintenance is where most riders fail, yet it's critical for longevity. Suzuki engines, particularly the SV650 and GSXR series, require valve checks at specified intervals, typically every 15,000 miles. Tight valves cause burnt valves and loss of compression. Loose valves create excessive noise and wear on cam lobes. While labor-intensive, this prevents catastrophic failures. Mechanics report that neglected valve trains often need complete head rebuilds by 60,000 miles, while properly maintained engines run past 200,000 miles. If you are not mechanically inclined, budget for professional valve service. The few $100s spent on checks saves thousands in repairs. Do not skip this critical maintenance interval. The cam chain tensioner is a known weak point across many Suzuki models, including the GSXR600, GSXR750, and DRZ400. This small component prevents cam chain slack, and when it fails, the results are catastrophic. Replace your cam chain tensioner at 30,000 miles before failure occurs. Many riders upgrade to manual tensioners that eliminate the weak spring-loaded automatic design. A failing tensioner creates a metallic rattle at idle that grows worse over time. Ignoring this sound leads to jumped timing, bent valves, and destroyed pistons requiring complete engine rebuilds that can cost thousands. The tensioner itself costs under $100, and replacement takes a few hours. Do not wait for the death rattle. Suzuki's liquid-cooled engines depend entirely on proper cooling system maintenance. Overheating causes warped heads, blown head gaskets, and seized pistons, all expensive failures that can end a bike's life prematurely. Flush and replace coolant every 2 years, regardless of mileage. Old coolant loses its anti-corrosion properties and its ability to transfer heat efficiently. Use only premixed motorcycle-specific coolant, never automotive coolant, which can damage aluminum components. Check coolant level weekly and inspect hoses for cracks or soft spots. Pay attention to your temperature gauge and pull over immediately if it climbs into the danger zone. Riders who maintain their cooling systems religiously report engines running cool past 100,000 miles. Riding habits dramatically affect engine longevity. Lugging your Suzuki, running it at low revolutions per minute in high gears under load, destroys bearings, stresses the crankshaft, and causes premature wear throughout the engine. Suzuki engines, especially high-revving sport bikes, are designed to operate in their power band. Downshift when necessary to keep engine speed above 3,000 revolutions per minute during acceleration. Lugging creates excessive vibration and cylinder pressure that the engine was not designed to handle. This habit is especially critical on the GSXR series and Hayabusa. Find the sweet spot in each gear where the engine pulls smoothly without straining. Riders who respect their engine's revolutions per minute range report smooth-running engines past 150,000 miles. Fuel quality directly impacts injection system cleanliness, combustion efficiency, and valve health. Cheap fuel that contains ethanol causes corrosion in fuel systems and carbon buildup on valves, reducing both engine life and performance. Always use top-tier gasoline from reputable stations, and avoid ethanol when possible because it attracts moisture and degrades rubber fuel lines. For bikes stored over 30 days, add a fuel stabilizer to prevent varnish buildup in injectors and fuel lines. Empty the tank or fill it completely with stabilized fuel before storage. Riders who use premium fuel and a stabilizer report fuel injection systems staying clean past 100,000 miles. Those who use cheap fuel face clogged injectors that require expensive cleaning by 50,000 miles. The most overlooked habit is proper warm-up and cool-down procedures. Cold engines lack proper oil pressure and operating clearances, while hot engines that are shut down immediately can cook bearings and cause oil coking. Let your Suzuki idle for 60 to 90 seconds before riding, allowing oil to circulate throughout the engine. Do not rev a cold engine or accelerate hard until the temperature gauge shows normal operating temperature. After aggressive riding, especially on sport bikes, idle for 30 to 60 seconds before shutdown. This allows the engine to stabilize temperatures. Riders who follow proper warm-up and cool-down procedures report engines with minimal wear even at high mileage. Patience adds thousands of miles to your Suzuki's life. The air filter is the first line of defense, protecting your engine from dirt, dust, and debris that cause cylinder wear and damage to valve seats. A clogged filter restricts airflow, reducing power and fuel efficiency. Replace your air filter every 12,000 miles or annually, whichever comes first. Riders in dusty environments should inspect filters every 6,000 miles. A dirty filter forces the engine to work harder and increases fuel consumption. For bikes with oiled foam filters like the V-Strom, clean and re-oil according to manufacturer specifications. Paper filters should always be replaced, never blown out with compressed air. This simple $50 maintenance item protects thousands of dollars worth of internal engine components. The drive chain connects your engine's power to the rear wheel, and improper maintenance creates excessive stress on transmission output bearings, sprockets, and the chain itself, all leading to premature failure. Check chain tension every 500 miles and adjust according to your owner's manual specifications. A loose chain can jump off sprockets or damage the swing arm. A tight chain loads the transmission bearings excessively. Clean and lubricate your chain every 300 to 600 miles using quality chain lube. Riders who maintain chains properly get 15 to 20,000 miles per chain and sprocket set. Those who neglect chains see failure by 8,000 miles plus damaged transmission bearings. Tire pressure affects more than just handling and safety. Incorrect pressure changes suspension geometry, creates uneven wear patterns, and forces the engine to work harder, reducing fuel efficiency and increasing stress on drivetrain components. Check tire pressure every week when tires are cold. Suzuki sport bikes typically run 32 to 36 pounds per square inch front and rear. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, forcing the engine to produce more power for the same speed. This extra load accelerates wear on the clutch, transmission, and engine internals. Maintain manufacturer-specified pressures religiously. A quality tire gauge costs $20 and takes 30 seconds to use. This simple habit improves fuel economy, extends tire life, and reduces mechanical stress throughout your Suzuki. Spark plugs provide the ignition source for combustion, and worn or fouled plugs cause misfires, poor fuel economy, and potential engine damage from incomplete combustion that washes cylinder walls with raw fuel. Remove and inspect spark plugs every 8,000 miles. Check electrode wear, insulator color, and gap specifications. Brown or tan deposits indicate proper combustion. Black sooty deposits suggest a rich fuel mixture or oil consumption. White crusty deposits indicate lean running or overheating. Replace plugs showing excessive electrode wear or incorrect coloring. Use original equipment manufacturer-specified plugs or premium replacements like NGK or Denso. Re-gap new plugs to specification before installation. A 15-minute inspection provides valuable engine health information and prevents costly damage. Many riders forget that Suzuki uses separate transmission oil on certain models, like the V-Strom and some cruisers. Even on bikes that share engine and transmission oil, fresh fluid is critical for gearbox longevity. Change transmission oil every 12,000 miles using the manufacturer-specified grade. Worn transmission oil loses its film strength, allowing metal-to-metal contact between gears and bearings. Use only motorcycle-specific transmission oil. Automotive gear oil contains friction modifiers that are incompatible with wet clutches. Inspect the magnetic drain plug for metal particles during changes. Small amounts are normal, but excessive shavings indicate accelerated wear and require investigation. Fresh transmission oil ensures smooth shifting and extends gearbox life past 150,000 miles. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the atmosphere. Contaminated brake fluid reduces braking performance, corrodes internal brake components, and can cause catastrophic brake failure, potentially leading to accidents that damage your bike. Flush and replace brake fluid every 2 years regardless of mileage. Old fluid with absorbed moisture has a lower boiling point, causing brake fade during hard braking. Water in the system corrodes calipers, master cylinders, and brake lines from the inside. Use only DOT-4 brake fluid specified by Suzuki. Never mix different DOT types. The process requires bleeding air from the system while introducing fresh fluid. Riders who replace fluid religiously never experience brake fade or corroded calipers. The reality is clear. No motorcycle lasts forever, but Suzuki engines with proper care routinely exceed 200,000 miles. These 13 habits separate bikes that become legends from those that become parts donors.